Hello, welcome to another exercise with SolidWorks. This exercise is about reference geometry. In a part file you already have some reference geometry, and these are the primary planes. Let's make them visible. If you are doing a sketch, you will do that, for example, on one of these planes. But what if you need a plane under an angle for that, or if you need a construction line or an axis under an angle or a skew one? On the Features command tab you can find a button for reference geometry. Here we want to go for a plane first. In first instance, don't care much about the property manager on the left. First we want to create a plane parallel to right plane, and for that simply click on the element involved here. That's the right plane, and on left side it offers some default entries, and this is a plane parallel to right plane with distance of 50 millimeters. We want to have minus 120, so type 120, hit enter to update the preview, and for the minus, flip offset. On top you can see this is a valid solution, it's fully defined, and confirm. We obtained plane number 1. In similar way, create a plane parallel to top plane. Now in this case we want a distance of 50 millimeters. Flip the offset and OK. Click into empty space to get a neutral state without pre-marked objects before you do something else, and of course save the file. You should do that after every important step. Now the next one is the reference axis. Just click the two planes involved here . Sequence doesn't matter. Here you have a preview and confirm. It is also possible to create reference points. In this example, the point must be on axis 1, and it must be a member of front plane. And this also shows up with a preview. That's what we want, and confirm. It is also possible to define an axis going through 2 points. In our case, point number 1, and the origin. Now we did not switch that visible in here, but we can unfold the design tree and click the origin entry. Preview is showing what was intended. And now let's create desired plane 3 containing axis 1 and being perpendicular to axis 2. Zoom in to have better control for clicking, or use design tree. That's also possible. Now, default suggestion on Property Manager is showing a plane which is containing both axes. For axis 1 this is fine, but for axis 2 we need to change to perpendicular. And finally we introduce another axis on intersection of plane 3 and top plane. Oh, plane 3 was pre-selected. That's fine in this case. Just need to click for the other one. And confirm. We can check the distance between this axis 3 and the origin by using the measure tool. You can find that in Tools, Evaluate and Measure. Click for axis 3 if not pre-selected, and the second member, which is the origin. I take that from design tree again. And it's showing up with results in a list and also on the screen by marking the distance described. Comparing the number, you can see if you did the steps before right or not. If you want to have this measure tool permanently on your command bar, as I have, I can show you how to do. Go to the command bar, make a right click, go to Customize, click the Commands tab and look for the Tools chapter. You will find an icon collection, and one is for measure, and you can drag that on your command bar. I already have it, so I show it with something else. Just click, hold, drag and let go. If you want to get rid of an icon in command bar, press down the Alt key and drag the icon into the graphics area. Now this exercise comes to an end. I hope you could gather helpful information how to use SolidWorks. Thank you for watching.